Hi, welcome to the Air Engine Research Channel, where efforts are being made to design, develop, and build a compressed air engine that will be reliable and efficient. And best of all, a green machine that does not pollute while running on compressed air. I have posted over 100 videos and various possible engines, and I'm currently working on one that encompasses all that I've learned over the years. I've learned that there are many different ways to do the same thing, and I'm trying to use the best ideas put together in a simple, easy to work on compressed air engine. It may sound simple, combining different ideas into a single combination, but it's turning out not to be so simple. The best designed part is the one I want to use, and getting it to marry up to other parts and to fit in the space available turns out to be quite complicated at times. I guess I'm hard to please, but when things don't work out as I think they need to, it's back to the drawing board and time to try modifying and figuring out how to make them work together. For those subscribers that have stuck with me throughout the years, thank you very much. And for those who may be seeing my videos for the first time, I hope you will subscribe, and that's bring me to the reason for today's video. I've always said in my videos, please subscribe and you'll be notified of any new videos as they're posted. Well, my son finally told me, Dad, that's not quite true. You have to subscribe and click on the little symbol next to the subscribe button. I didn't realize that. I thought subscribing was all that was necessary. So if you haven't clicked on the notify button next to the subscribe button, please do so now. Thanks for watching, and there will be another video coming soon to update on the timing problem that I'm having on the current prototype. I'll show you a short video of what it looks like. It was pretty noisy with the metal to metal on the bearings, but it does run pretty good, so. Thanks again for watching, and please do click on the notify button. Until next time, goodbye.